Thought today was a little weird. The bees are out, blossoms are out, daffodils are out. It's the first day of spring, y'all.